What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. So first off, you need to restart your Google browser and then again head over to the Google or any browser that you are using, and then in the search bar type in Yahoo, and then after that click on the Yahoo website and then try to sign in or log in again. But if it doesn't work, then on the right side, go to the settings and then click on the settings of your browser. And after that, in the top search bar, search for browsing and cache, or you can search for browsing data. And after that, when you click here, you can see all your browsing history, your cookies, and cached images and files. Just select all these and then click on delete data. Uh, there is sometimes some cache data or some cookies that are stopping you from creating the account on Yahoo. So just simply select all these and then delete your cached images and file or cookies, or if you don't want to delete the browsing history, just uncheck it and then delete the cookies and cached images only. And when you delete this and refresh your Yahoo, or you can just reopen your Yahoo website or application, and then you must sign in after that. So this will then be successfully working, and then you will be able to log in or sign up with your Yahoo Mail account. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.